Changing your primary admin on Monzo Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your Monzo Business account. Access your Monzo Business account by logging in through the Monzo app or website using your current admin credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Team Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. Look for the Team or Team Settings option to manage your account's user roles and permissions. Step 3. Select the current primary admin. In the Team Settings, find the current primary admin listed among the team members. Click on their profile to access their account details. Step 4. Assign a new primary admin. Look for the option to change the role of the current primary admin. Select the new team member you wish to promote to primary admin and confirm the change. Step 5. Confirm the change. After assigning the new primary admin, ensure that you receive a confirmation notification. Both the old and new primary admin should verify that the change has been successfully made. Once you have completed these steps, the new primary admin will have full control over the Monzo Business account. If you encounter any issues, consult Monzo support resources for assistance.